Hey everyone, Nick Bohr here with Inspire Wealth. I want to do a video today about the interest rate situation that we're in. The government is really trying desperately to try to combat inflation by raising rates. They raised rates another 75 basis points or 0.75% yesterday. What does that mean? How does that impact you? Really depends on where you're at in your life. If you don't have debt, if your mortgage is pretty secure and you have a 15 or 30 year and don't need to refinance anytime soon, you're not planning on moving, it doesn't impact you that much. It could actually be a benefit or a positive because as rates go up, at some point, you're going to be able to access fixed investments like CDs, like potentially fixed annuities that have guaranteed interest rates that you don't have to worry about being tied to the market and that are going to actually provide a reasonable return. The negative is if you're potentially in like my situation where I'm going to be looking to move in the next year and I'm going to be needing to take a mortgage on some level of what we're buying a house for. Well, interest rates are really going to impact how much we can afford or want to afford, what our payment's going to look like because of the interest rate environment. Same thing with buying a car. If you're going to finance, you need to understand going out, you're going to need to pay more money every month for that same car because now car interest rates, car loans could be 6-7%. That's really scary compared to where we were a couple years ago. And I know that a lot of us, myself included, have talked about how rates are so low and they're not going to stay this low forever. I've been talking about that with clients for the last 5 years. And it's true. So it's all about what point you're at in your life on how interest rates could impact you. So it's important that you're thinking about these things. You're having conversations with your spouse. You're having conversations with your financial professional, making sure that if you're planning to buy a house or you're planning to refinance, what does that look like? How does that impact me? Should I be refinancing right now? A lot of people, you may not be refinancing right now unless you're trying to pull money out to pay off high interest debt. If you have high interest debt like credit cards or student loans, those are things that you really should be making sure you're putting a plan together to make sure you can eliminate those as quickly as possible because that interest rate's really going to start popping up if it's not already, and it's going to be impacting your monthly payment. So again, I'm Nick Bohr here with Inspire Wealth here in Brighton. It's always important that you're making these types of decisions, that you're considering these types of things, no matter what stage in life you're at. You know, the younger generation buying houses, it's really going to impact you with interest rates because you're going to be financing the majority of it. You know, the people that are approaching retirement, you either may not have a mortgage or you may not have much of one. It may not impact you as much, may be a benefit. So there are things like that you just need to make sure that you're asking, you're thinking about. We're always here. Please feel free to reach out. Check out the website, inspireyourretirement.com. Or check out the YouTube channel with a bunch of other videos and good content, things you should be thinking about at this point in the market, in the economy. Again, Nick Bohr, Inspire Wealth here in Brighton. Thanks so much. Have a good day.